Hey guys, so today I'm here with my brother and we went to the Great Lodge and we were at the arcade and he won about 1,000 tickets, so he just got like some candy and some other stuff and he got these squishies. So one of them is this like star one, and then the next one is this narwhal one. And then I won 1,000 tickets because I had the jackpot 2 times, and I got this big giant cake squishy, and it smells really good, like, bruh. Now, we don't just have squishies here to show y'all. We went to the candy store at the Great Lodge, and we got some gummy sushi and pizza. And we're going to do the sushi first. So here's in the pack. Wait, let me read what it says. It comes with 2 candy. Okay, I'm not even gonna try to read this. I'm just gonna show y'all the back. Y'all can pause the video and see what it says. Okay. This is like opening up salad. So this is how it looks. There's only one sauce. So y'all might remember the other sushi video I did. It had some of this stuff like these, and it had less stuff, like it didn't come with the shrimp and other stuff. And this pack is bigger. So first we're gonna try the shrimps. So here's 2 of them for you, and then we each get 2. Here's how the shrimps look. Okay. They taste like all the gummies. Tastes pretty good. Okay. Which one's that sauce? No. We use the sauce with something else. Okay. Let's do these green things. Okay. We each get 2. So, let me see. They're candy. Oh, they're edamame. Okay, so here's the front, and here's the back. Okay. Oh, it's chewy. Okay. Pretty good. Next, I guess we'll do these.
Well, these are not shrimp. They're whatever that is. EBI.
Okay. Wait, there's no. Oh yeah. Wait, there's no orange ones.
So these are candy
maki or whatever. Okay. Here's how they look. There's the
like the range. There's like it's supposed to have rice in it.
Eat it all together. Oh, it kind of tastes like soda.
Oh. Yeah.
Let's eat these things now. Here's how they look. Okay, let's eat them. They're crunchy, y'all. Wow, these are crunchy. Okay. Well, this is weird. Now we're gonna try the Californian rolls. So, oh god, these are sticky and gooey. Ugh. Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. He's not gonna try these until later. But
I will.
okay. Oh no. It's stuck.
I can.
Okay, get yours out if you can. Okay. Here's how they look. They look really gooey and they feel gooey. Okay, I'm gonna try this one right here.
Looks like
so
marshmallow.
good.
Is this marshmallow?
These are super good.
I'm probably.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll just skip on that.
Okay. Next one, I guess, we'll do these gummy bear things. What are they called?
What thing's yum?
Okay, whatever. I cannot pronounce that. So there's 2 green ones, and then I guess we'll try to share the white one.
We'll just have to split it in half.
Okay.
There's like a
Here's how the green one looks. Okay, let's go.
I won't care. I won't care. The gummy bear is stuck.
Oh god. Okay.
The edamames are my favorite so far.
Oh, this is green as well. It's not white. It's just the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Next, we'll try the no, I cannot pronounce these. You can just go back to the video and pause it to read them all. But we're eating these ones down. We're gonna put the sauce on them. Make it 2, and then we'll just put sauce. I'm gonna use sauce.
It's
so
like marshmallows.
the sauce is I'm not pronouncing.
Oh, this is a
I
marshmallow.
cannot. Can't get the sauce. Okay, here's the sauce. It just comes out like that, and I think it's like Twizzlers or some weird candy. But this sauce is not coming apart. Okay, I'm getting some sauce off. Okay, I got some sauce. You can get some if you want. Okay, here's how mine looks. Save some sauce.
The fish is bad.
Okay. I'm gonna put this to the side because we have a pizza. So I'll be back when I finish chewing. Okay, so now we're gonna try the pizza. So go ahead and open it. Alright. There's another layer on. Oh my god.
There's after one. So here,
Get it off.
this is sticky.
Whoa.
I need to just take it out.
Okay.
It's like
No, I'm gonna
cardboard.
Okay. I guess the first thing we're gonna try are these, I don't know, berry type things, because there's a lot of them. So here's how they look.
They have mini pizzas on the pizza.
Okay, grab gummy bear. So I guess it's supposed to be.
These are good. I like the gummy bears.
I'm pretty sure the things we just ate are probably supposed to be pepperoni or something.
I think that the berries act as pepperoni.
Okay.
I guess the mini pizzas act as dough.
Okay, next.
And these act as a crust.
There's an egg on here, and it's the only eggs we have to split in half. So here's the back, here's the front. Okay. Let's see now. How do we split this? Okay. And then we do this. I'm getting this. Got it. Okay. Tastes pretty good. Here, it's right there. Okay, these are bananas, I guess, and I guess they're supposed to be like the outside layer of the pizza. Okay. Oh god. It's chewing and gets stuck to your teeth. Those are good.
I'm gonna eat all of these later.
Okay.
Hey, I get to get the food. It's mine.
Okay. So we're gonna try. I don't know what these are supposed to be. Maybe cheese or something, but. Okay. Okay, so these taste like cherry or something weird. Okay. The next thing, there's only these green things in the mini pizzas. I don't know what these are. Maybe. Oh, they're peppers, I think. Okay. I'm scared to.
Oh, we didn't eat the mini wrapper things.
I'm scared to eat these
Not
because
eat
one time I got a gummy pack and the peppers on it were hot.
They're really bad.
I think it's getting spicy.
The peppers aren't hot.
They have a hint of spiciness.
Yes, like I can.
It's barely
like
though.
that much.
Okay. The last thing is the mini pizzas. Wait, there's one more thing, but after the mini pizzas. So these are probably gonna taste the best. Okay,
Wait for me. I'm making my pizza big. Look how big my pizza is. Pizza.
It tastes weird. It tastes like all the stuff on here combined. Thing is fruit snacks. Do you have yours? Okay. It actually tastes better than fruit snacks, but I'm pretty sure they're just fruit snacks. Okay. So here's the Gummy pizza. We had all the sushi and stuff, and just all the squishies. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment anything you want. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell, and I'll see you in my next video. So, bye, guys.